In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly transition through Shopee's checkout process using Gcash as your payment method. Whether you're new to online shopping or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. Let's start by heading over to the Shopee website. This is your starting point for a vast array of online shopping experiences. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, take a moment to explore some of the categories if you're not urgently seeking something specific. But if you're like many of us who have already filled up their carts with goodies just waiting to be checked out, you can skip this and head straight to your cart. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, depicted by a little shopping cart icon. Click on that to see everything you've gathered so far. Once you're in your shopping cart, review your selected items. This is a good time to double check everything. Make sure you have the right sizes, colors, and quantities. You wouldn't want to receive an item only to realize it wasn't quite what you intended to purchase. Also, check if there are any applicable vouchers or discounts that you can add for some extra savings. Now it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This is where things get specific, but don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. On the checkout page, you'll see an area dedicated to payment methods. By default, there might be a chosen payment method, which is often a credit card or cash on delivery. But today we're focusing on using Gcash, which is a convenient e-wallet option perfect for quick and secure transactions. In the payment method section, look for a list or a drop-down menu that allows you to change your method. Select Gcash from this list. Why choose Gcash, you might ask? Well, using Gcash offers a digital way to manage your funds efficiently, making it easy to track your spending or even letting you take advantage of specific promotions exclusive to Gcash users on Shopee. Once you've selected Gcash, follow the prompts provided. You will likely need to log into your Gcash account to authorize the payment. Make sure your details are correct and your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. And there you have it. Your transaction is now complete. You'll get a confirmation from Shopee, and you should also receive a notification from Gcash indicating that the payment has been processed. It's that simple. With these steps, you can effortlessly complete your purchase without any hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping!